Hello everybody, it's Michelle and I've got another Halloween table setting for you today. This is really simple and a lot of fun for Halloween parties. We're going to be doing a black cat. We're just going to do the cat's head today. So you're going to need a black plate, one black napkin in the large lunch size, and you're going to need some candies that we're going to put on there. I'm using Junior Mints, and I'll be using some of the dots, and then I've got the Twizzlers pull and peel. And it's very important that you have the pull and peel because we're going to be separating that out into the individual strands. And then you'll need a pair of kitchen shears. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is fold our black napkin to be our cat's ears. This is very similar to what we did for our bunny ears at Easter. So we're just going to open that up one time, and then we're going to fold it in half lengthwise just to get a crease. So once you crease that down, open it back up, and we're going to use that crease line as a guide to fold the points of our cat ears. So just fold that down. Fold the other corner down right along that crease that we made. Twist it around and do the same thing on the other end. Okay, this is where it's a little bit different. We're not going to fold into the center line like we did on our bunny ears. We're just going to fold this in thirds overall. Let's see. Let's start with the bottom first. Fold that up. And then fold this one down. That looks like about thirds. Okay, we're going to flip it over to use this side rather than the side where we would see the inside of the ear, because I don't want to see that crease right there, that fold. So just turn that over, and then we're going to fold it straight in half. And then we're going to fold this edge up at an angle even with this edge. Right like that. And now you've got a V. And you just bring your plate in, set it on top of there. And that's your cat's head. Okay, now comes the fun part with the candies. Okay, that's a little closer up so that maybe you guys can see a little better what I'm doing. Now we're going to make the cat's face. We're going to do that with our candies. First ones we're going to use is the dots. That's going to be the eyes of the cat, so I would suggest using either the green or the yellow, but it's your black cat. You can do it either way you want. So just place those on there as the eyes. Take 3 strands of your Twizzlers after you separate those out, in whichever color you choose. And we're going to use our kitchen shears and cut those in half. And then we're just going to lay those on as our whiskers. And then we finish it off with one of the junior mints for the nose. And there's your black cat table setting for Halloween. Let me know what you all think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on Facebook and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.